Welcome back to the ECA Tech Channel. If you're into web development and working with Laravel, today's episode is just for you. We're diving into 7 fantastic tips that will help you get the most out of Laravel and make your development process smoother. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tips will come in handy. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Master the Laravel Artisan command line tool. Laravel's Artisan CLI is like having a trusty sidekick for your development tasks. It helps with everything from generating code to running migrations and seeding your database. Spend a little time exploring Artisan's capabilities, and you'll see just how much it can streamline your work. Tip number 2. Use Eloquent ORM for database operations. One of Laravel's standout features is Eloquent ORM, which provides a beautiful and intuitive way to interact with your database. With Eloquent, you can work with your database using PHP objects rather than writing raw SQL. It supports relationships, querying, and data manipulation, all in a way that's easy to read and maintain. Dive into Eloquent to take full advantage of Laravel's powerful database capabilities. Tip number 3. Leverage Laravel's Blade templating engine. Blade is Laravel's powerful templating engine that makes it a breeze to work with views. It provides features like template inheritance and section management, which can help keep your HTML clean and organized. Blade also includes handy directives for control structures and data display. Using Blade effectively can lead to more manageable and readable templates in your application. Tip number 4. Utilize Laravel middleware for request handling. Middleware acts as a filter for incoming HTTP requests, allowing you to run code before or after the request is handled by your application. This is great for tasks like authentication, logging, and data validation. By using middleware, you can keep your controllers lean and focused on handling business logic while handling repetitive tasks in one place. Tip number 5. Implement Laravel's built-in authentication. Laravel makes user authentication a breeze with its built-in system. You can use Laravel Breeze or Laravel Jetstream to quickly set up authentication features like registration, login, and password reset. It saves you the hassle of building these features from scratch and provides a secure and tested foundation for managing user access. Tip number 6. Use Laravel's testing capabilities. Testing is crucial for maintaining a reliable application, and Laravel provides robust testing tools right out of the box. Use PHP unit for unit and feature tests to ensure your code works as expected. Laravel also makes it easy to mock dependencies and simulate HTTP requests. Writing tests may seem like extra work, but it pays off by catching bugs early and ensuring your application behaves correctly as you make changes. Tip number 7. Take advantage of Laravel's built-in task scheduling. Laravel's task scheduling feature allows you to manage scheduled tasks like cron jobs right from your application. Using the schedule method in your console kernel, you can automate routine tasks like sending emails or cleaning up old data. This feature is incredibly powerful and helps you manage background processes without relying on external cron job configurations. And there you have it, 7 tips to level up your Laravel development. From mastering Artisan to leveraging Eloquent and Blade, these tips will help you build more efficient and maintainable applications. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any Laravel questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below.